Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to the third part of the video. In part 1, I've shown you how to make the bottom part of bag. In part 2, I taught you how to make the main pattern of bag as much as 2 rounds. I divide the main pattern into odd and even round because each of them is made of similar pattern yet different in working technique. Well, in today's video, I will show you how to make the third and the fourth round. The third round is similar with the first round because this round is an odd round. To make this round, I start with 3 chains which are considered as the last double crochet. Then, skip this 3 front post double crochet and find out there's a 3 previous front post treble crochet. Here they are. What you're going to do now is to make 3 front post treble crochet through this 3 previous front post treble crochet. This is the first one. The second one. The third one. Then look at these 3 skips front post double crochet. What you're gonna do now is to make 1 front post triple crochet through each of them. This is the first one. This is the second one. And the third one. After this, make 3 front post double crochet through the previous 3 front post treble crochet. 1, 2, have a look. The braided cable looks so beautiful. Now make 5 double crochet. These are the normal double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, the first set of the pattern is completed. Now the second set. Just like the first one, find out 3 previous front post treble crochet. Here they are. Skip this 3 previous front post double crochet. Make 1 front post treble crochet through each of these 3 previous front post treble crochet. 1, 2, and the last one. 3. Now, go back to the skipped previous purpose double crochet. Make one purpose triple crochet through each of them. This is the first one. The second one. The third one. Done. Now 3 purpose double crochets. One, 2, 3. This is what they look like. The pattern looks so wonderful and so amazing. To complete the second set of main pattern, make 5 normal double crochet. 4, 5. 2 sets of main pattern of thread rounds are ready. These are what they look like. Now, repeat each set of the main pattern to complete the third round. This is the last part of the third round. Have a look. I've made 4 instead of 5 double crochets because these 3 chains which are made at the beginning of these rounds, I consider as the last double crochet. Now, when you are here, you have to find out the third of the 3 chains and make a slip stitch in that. Complete. Now round 4, all uneven rounds. Start with 3 chains, which are considered as the last double crochet. 3 purpose double crochets. You need to remember that every even round always start with 3 purpose double crochet. Meanwhile, every odd round always start with 3 purpose double crochet. These are 3 purpose double crochet. Look at these 3 previous purpose triple crochet. Skip those previous purpose triple crochet. Make 1 purpose triple crochet through each of these previous purpose double crochets. Done. Now find out those skipped previous triple crochet. Make 1 new purpose triple crochet through each of them. This is the first one. The principles of making this 4th round is similar with that of the 2nd round, because the 4th and the 2nd rounds are all even round. Repeat this similar action. This is the 2nd one. Now the 3rd or the last one. Okay, done. These are what they look like. Now, 5 normal double crochets. The first sets of main patterns of the first rounds are complete. These are what they look like. This is the second set. Even round always start with 3 proposed double crochet. The first round is the even round, so it starts with 3 proposed double crochets. Skip these 3 previous proposed double crochets. Here they are. You need to always skip them. Make 1 proposed treble crochet to each of these previous proposed double crochets. Now, find out the skip proposed treble crochets. Make 1 new proposed treble crochet to each of them. Make it like this. This is the first one. Do it again. The second one. This is the last one or the third proposed treble crochet. Five normal double crochets. Okay, the second set of the main pattern of the fourth round is complete and this is what it looks like. Repeat this pattern to complete the fourth round and repeat the patterns of the even and of the odd rounds until you get the height you desire. I've got the height that I desire. This is the last part of the last round before I change the yarn's colors. Have a look. I made 4 instead of 5 double crochets because these 3 chains which are made at the beginning of round are considered as the last double crochet. So when you are here, you need to find out the 3 chains and make a slip stitch on the third of these 3 chains. Okay, done. Have a look. The braided couple stitches I used throughout the body of this bag look so beautiful and fashionable. They're similar to braided hairstyle. Well everyone, see you again on the part 4 of this video, and that I'll be showing you how to easily change the threads and how to make the top part of this bag. See you then. Have a good day and happy crochet!